And they're on the way. Distinctive Dancer draws for your lead. Sudden Burst throwing a challenge on the outside. Then comes Diamond Magic. Triple Threat racing in fourth. Then comes Sugar Daddy. Then followed by Basta as they pass the half mile pole. Now we have runner number 4, Sudden Burst, the favorite, leading the field by about 5 lengths. Distinctive Dancer drops back in second and racing in third. Diamond Magic, Basta. Sugar Daddy running in alongside. Then comes Royal Milestone, Triple Threat, and Winner Take All. As they turn for home, Sudden Burst, this time by about 6 lengths. Running in second, still Distinctive Dancer. Diamond Magic opted to run down on the inside with 200 to go. Sudden Burst by about 4 lengths. Distinctive Dancer once again in second. And leading the finish line, Deo Fernandez, back-to-back win, this time on Sudden Burst. Second, Distinctive Dancer. Then comes Diamond Magic, Winner Take All, Sugar Daddy, Basta.